What's up you guys, I'm Sarah Slay and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a kind of recreation of iluvsarahii's tutorials that she's been doing with her new collab with Dose of Colors. I got the new palette, I really wanted to try something out and I wanted to do something kind of similar to iluvsarahii because I know we all love her. Her makeup skills are fire, so if we can recreate it, we fire too, you know? But anyway, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And without further ado, let's get on with this tutorial.
Oh baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle?
So I'm going to be starting off with the MAC paint pot in the shade Soft Ochre just to set my eyelids. And I didn't do any face makeup or anything yet because, well, obviously we're going to do the eyes first. And I don't want any of the fallout to get on my beautifully foundationed skin. Alright, and obviously today I'm going to be using my iluvsarahii times Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. I am obsessed with this palette right now, you guys. If you have not gotten your hands on this yet, you need to cop this like right now. So I'm going to take a big fluffy brush for my transition shade and I'm going to use Loungy, which is this pink color down here at the corner. And I'm not going to set the eyeshadow base that we put down because I find that when I layer on my shadows on top of the base, it looks more pigmented than if I was to put something translucent down or like a light shade down. It doesn't come off as pigmented as if I just don't set it. Next, I'm going to take this brush. It's from Eco Tools. I'm going to take Wanderlust, and it's this like deep red over here, like brick red. And I'm just going to put this in my crease. And I'm first going to place it there just to get a ton of the pigment, and then I'll blend it out. And now I'm going to take a clean blending brush and just kind of blow this deep red out and look a little more seamless going into the loungy shade that we were using. Now just to give it a little more contrast on the outer parts of the halo, I'm going to put some black. It is extremely pigmented and it has a lot of like glitter in it, which doesn't bother me much, but if you don't like it, all you have to do is just tap it off and like see there's like no glitter. Now for now, I'm just going to use my finger. I might switch to a brush if it doesn't work so well, but I'm going to use this blue shade called Palma, and I'm just going to, so pigmented, I have to like tap off my finger. I'm just going to place this in the center. Now this shade has a ton of fallout. You could probably avoid that by using a brush and spraying it first, but I mean, luckily I didn't do my face makeup first, so I'm just going to wipe it away anyway, so it doesn't bother me too much. But if you don't like fallout, then you could probably just use some Fix Plus to fix that. And now I need to blend to filth, so I'll be right back. Now I'm going to do some winged liner, and for that I'm going to use my Maybelline Master Precise Ink liquid liner. That was my mom offering me food. This is why I film at her house. Alright, now I'm going to do my base makeup and I'll be right back to finish up the eyes. Alright, and now to finish up the eyes, I'm going to take Loungy on a fluffy brush and just run it under my waterline to start. And then I'm going to take the other colors and add them on as well because I want it to look similar to what we have on the lid. Okay, now I'm going to use this dense angled brush. I'm going to see how this works, but I'm definitely going to use some Fix Plus for the blue shade Palma, and I'm going to just put this right in that middle space here. I still got a little bit of fallout, so I'm just going to wipe that away with my big fluffy brush. And this is just what I used to set my face with earlier. Okay, now I'm going to line my waterline, and I'm going to use two different liners for this. I'm going to use a black for the outer corner, kind of to line up with the winged liner that we did. I'm going to stop halfway through and then add this white like nudish liner for the rest of it. This helps you make your eyes look a little bigger, but it also gives you the intensity of having like a black in your waterline. And this is like the best nude liner I have ever used. I went to Ulta and got this, and I asked someone like, what's the best one you have, because all the other ones I used suck and they like run out of my eyes super easily. But she brought me to this Tarte one and I was like, Tarte, maybe, I don't know. And then I used it and I was like, yes, and I use this like every day now. Now I'm going to take this little pencil brush here and I'm going to take Poquito Mas in the eyeshadow palette, and it's just this little like shimmery shade. I'm going to use this to do my inner corners and my brow bone highlight. I am going to spray this though with some setting spray. I don't know if I've been calling this Fix Plus. That's really weird because it's definitely not. It's actually this Sephora one. It's called Coconut Water Hydrating Mist, and it is like, it smells like heaven. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes and put on some mascara, and I'll be right back for the lip combo. All right, I went ahead and took my hair out of that crazy ass bun it was in. Okay, so the lip combo I'm going to use today is this brown Kylie liner in Brown Sugar and the Joseph Colors Times iluvsarahii in Peachy. It's a matte liquid lipstick, and this combo, you guys, I swear is like the best. Like a brown liner with a peachy matte, perfect. Because when I first got this, it was a little light and I definitely could not wear it on its own, but paired with like a darker liner, it's so good. Like if you guys don't have this one, I totally recommend it. It's so good. And the formula for Dose, like I'm sure you guys already know, it's like the best. Okay, so I'm going to start with my liner and I'm going to overline a little bit. And when I overline, I kind of round out the top, and I feel like that makes my lips look a lot more full. And now with this beautiful thing, Peachy. And I'm going to set it all in place. Alright, you guys, and that is it for today's tutorial. I really hope you guys like this. I love this collection. I wish I had more pieces, but I'm so glad I got to use the eyeshadow palette with you guys. I think it's so fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you guys recreate this look, definitely take some pics and tag me. I have all my social media down in the description box below. Hit that like button if you guys liked this video. Hit subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Oh, baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little.